Imagine living in harmony with nature. Sounds fascinating, right? Biointegrated architecture brings this dream to life. It merges buildings with nature seamlessly. Let's break down biointegrated architecture into 3 key concepts. First, it emphasizes the use of natural materials. This reduces our ecological footprint significantly. Second, it maximizes natural sunlight and airflow. Finally, it incorporates local ecosystems into building designs. This fosters biodiversity and benefits surrounding wildlife. For example, think of a building covered in green walls. These vertical gardens improve air quality. In summary, biointegrated architecture offers innovative solutions. It promotes sustainability, wellness, and biodiversity. By integrating nature into our designs, we unlock a better future. Take action today. Explore biointegrated architecture further. Visit local projects or learn more online.